Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing. Today we are looking at the Brother Narrow Hem Foot, available on most Brother machines. The narrow hem foot is used to create perfect narrow hems suitable for finer fabrics and on curved hemlines. To attach this foot, release the press foot down onto the alignment bar. Next, select a straight stitch with the needle in the center position. Cut off the corner of your fabric and place your fabric under the foot wrong side up. The needle should be situated 2 mm from the side of the fabric. Then sew 2 to 3 stitches. Lift the presser foot and cut your threads, leaving a 10 cm tail from the fabric. Holding both threads, feed them through the curled part of the foot, then pull the fabric through until the edge starts to curl. Lower your presser foot, then slowly sew without allowing the fabric to stick out from beneath the right side of the presser foot, turning the fabric into the curve as you are sewing and pulling the thread's tails. Once you have sewn 2 to 3 cm, let go of the thread and guide the fabric with your hands. And that's how you use your narrow hem foot.